Hi guys, nice to see you again. This is DEEPTECH, and thanks for again support our project on Kickstarter, and some followers want to our scan some car parts. So today I take a car speaker for you, show our performance of 3D scanner STARX, and I will show you how to scan the object like this. It's black and car part. So let's go. First, we're building a new scanner project on top, and like this object, I suggest you use 0.6. It's enough for scan this object. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's working. The key points: when you scan the object, if you feeling scan is not smooth, you want to move the object. It's okay. It can be effect, but just keeps the object, the shape is not changed and the mark is not moved. Okay? For example, like this, to begin, scan. Now, maybe we're feeling it's hard to scan like this size, so we can move the object. And now you can find the check back. Back here. Yeah. Now check back again. We move it again. We want to stand here. Okay, we almost finished this side scan, and we need to delete the object and scan another side again. Before building your scan, you just move some noise we didn't need. Okay, we excite scan and building a new scanner project again. Let's do it again. Just don't let mark move and don't let object shape change. This skill is not good for some soft project, but this one is okay. Okay, we finished. We finished scan and we put the two sides data together. Let's do it again. Move the noise a little bit. Keep the mind one key. get the perfect data. Now, use another function. Let's walk together. You find more than 3 sample points. 3 is not, but 4 is later. No, we had some mistake. So this is because we chose the wrong mark. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, let's write now. Okay, next the finish one. And that's all we get perfect data of this speaker. Use this STARX. Deal.